Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix apps not opening in Oppo phone. For example, if any app is not opening, it means it is crashing. So how to resolve this problem? You need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, tap on app management and select the app. In my case, it's YouTube. Tap on it and tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache. After doing that, go back and tap on stop force. Now close this window and restart your YouTube. Let's check. Now as you can see, the YouTube start working absolutely fine. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.